Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, February 14th. Seeing some mild and mostly sunny conditions out there this morning. Going to be seeing temperatures a few degrees above normal today, then a decent warm up across the area for tomorrow before we get a return to more seasonable, cooler temperatures this weekend. Taking a look at our conditions across the area yesterday, saw temperatures a few degrees above normal across the region. Many locations reporting temperatures in the low to mid 50s. Lows this morning were a little bit closer to seasonable averages, with most locations reporting temperatures in the low to mid to upper 20s, and we did see a couple of temperatures just near or above freezing as well. As of 9 a.m. this morning, seeing temperatures near 40 degrees across the central and northern portions of the mid-Atlantic. Areas near the Tidewater and here at Wallops, we're seeing temperatures already in the mid-40s under sunny to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, seeing winds pretty calm at the surface, just above the surface, seeing those winds from the west increasing from 10 knots up to 20 knots at 3,000 feet, and then seeing winds west-northwesterly across the remainder of the column, around 40 knots between 6,000 and 12,000 feet, then increasing up to around 100 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just above 3,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see we have high pressure dominating the southeastern portions of the country this morning, which helped to give us some calmer winds earlier this morning, which also helped to drop those lows a little bit cooler than expected due to some good radiational cooling across the region. That high pressure will weaken a bit and shift off to the east as we go throughout the afternoon today. That'll help to shift those winds more southerly as we have a weak front approaching from the west. So that'll slowly increase the pressure gradient as we go into tonight, giving us a good southerly flow, which will also help to increase the temperatures as we go into tonight. So expecting a low temperature tonight to happen early, and then we're going to be seeing those temperatures close to 20 degrees above average across the area for tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface map here, we are seeing mostly sunny skies this morning. There is an area of mid and upper level cloudiness, though, just to the west of the bay. That'll continue to move east, and that will move over the area as we go towards the mid-afternoon hours, and that with skies then becoming overcast as we go into this evening as that mid and upper level cloudiness increases. We're seeing those winds calm earlier this morning. They have picked up a little bit from the west, and then as we go towards the afternoon, they're going to shift pretty quickly from the south, and then they will be increasing slightly this afternoon as well, remaining around 7 to 12 knots from the south as we go into tonight and into tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our forecast charts, you can see that high pressure shifting more easterly, which will help to prompt that southerly flow that's expected to develop this afternoon. And as we go into tonight, we're going to be seeing that mid and upper level cloudiness increase, as I had mentioned before. We're going to be seeing our low temperature in the early evening hours, with that temperature rising with that southerly flow continuing throughout the overnight hours. Going to be seeing the skies become overcast as we go towards the late afternoon or early evening hours with that continued mid and upper level cloudiness. As we go into tomorrow morning, we can expect those winds to start to increase from the south or southwest, and then that'll help to prompt a warmer air mass, bring a warmer air mass into the region. Temperatures expected to be in the low to mid 60s across the area for tomorrow, so very warm for mid-February. We are going to be having some breezy conditions, possibly seeing gusts to around 30 miles per hour at times for tomorrow afternoon as the pressure gradient tightens in advance of a cold front that's going to move across the region. It does look like it's going to be dry by the time it reaches the Delmarva, so not expecting any precipitation from this frontal passage. Really just going to give us a cloudier day tomorrow, as well as that breezy conditions due to that increased pressure gradient. As that front moves over the area just south of the Wallops region Friday night, we will be seeing those winds relax as the pressure gradient relaxes a bit. That's also going to give us some cooler temperatures starting Friday night to Saturday morning. So for Saturday morning, we can expect our high temperature to occur early in the day or in the morning, with temperatures then falling throughout the remainder of the day. So going to be another return to some more wintry type weather on Saturday, with those temperatures falling to near freezing by the afternoon for here at Wallops. We're also going to be having this weak wave that's not really depicted too well on this map move along that front that's going to stall out across southern portions of the Delmarva, across portions of the Carolinas. and that's going to give us a chance of some rain early in the day on Saturday. And then as we move towards the afternoon, we can expect a wintry mix here at Wallops for the Saturday afternoon time frame. Right now, it looks like we're going to see a little to no snow accumulation, possibly a little bit of a dusting, or maybe up to half an inch or so up in the Salisbury area. But here, due to those warm Friday temperatures, we are going to see those that ground struggle to get cold enough for anything to really stick. And besides, it looks like it's going to be more of a wintry mix rather than snow here at Wallops. But it does look like a return to more winter-like weather for this weekend. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today. One second. We are going to be seeing those temperatures rise to 52 degrees. We are seeing those winds pretty light and variable right now, but as I mentioned before, they're going to shift southerly this afternoon, increasing to 6 to 11 knots towards the end of the workday, and then towards overnight hours becoming 8 to 13 knots. Temperature expected to be 52 degrees today, and then you can see that low is going to occur early with a low of 43, with temperatures then rising throughout the overnight hours. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just going to be seeing some mid and upper level cloudiness throughout the day today. Right now, just seeing a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Those are expected to become broken as we go towards the afternoon hours with some clouds near 18,000 feet, then moving in towards the end of the workday, and then by sunset, going to be seeing a scatter deck at 15,000 and broken at 18,000 with that overcast, with that cirrus deck becoming overcast. We'll continue to see some more mid-level cloud layers moving overnight, and by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing a few clouds near 3,500 feet, broken decks at 10, 15, and 18,000 feet with an overcast cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a mostly cloudy to overcast day, and then we're going to be seeing clouds decrease a little bit in the afternoon. It is going to be breezy and unseasonably warm with a high of 64 expected. For Friday night, going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies early, and then it will become overcast late once again as we get that that weak wave approaching the area for Saturday, expecting a low of 38 for Friday night. On Saturday, we're going to see that early high of around 41 degrees, and then we're going to see temperatures drop throughout the day, possibly becoming freezing or just below freezing by the late afternoon hours. It is going to start off as rain early in the day Saturday, then start to become a wintry mix by early to mid-afternoon. It does look like it's going to be a mix of rain, sleet, and snow at times for here, so not really expecting any snow accumulation, especially with that warm ground due to our warm high that we're expecting tomorrow. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, tomorrow is going to be the warmest day by far, and the extended with that high of 64, so tomorrow will be a very nice day to do any outdoor activities, even with that mostly cloudy to overcast cloud cover. And then Saturday, getting that 41 degrees happening early, and then that 32 you see is going to happen actually later in the afternoon. And then with that wintry mix occurring, any precipitation should be out of the area by the late evening hours of Saturday night into Sunday. And then Sunday should be a mostly cloudy day, mostly dry for the bulk of the day, and then expected to see another very weak wave move across the area late in the day, Sunday or Sunday night, seeing some light rainfall chances across the area for Sunday night. Monday does look to be mostly cloudy day across the region, very seasonable with a high of 49, and then Tuesday we're going to be getting another system approach the area late in the day. Tuesday will be dry for the bulk of the day with rain chances increasing as we go towards sunset. Still going to be a seasonable day though with high of 44, and then it does look like that rain is going to come with a warm front on Tuesday into Wednesday, with temperatures increasing for Wednesday into the lower 50s. Does look like it's going to be a rainy day Wednesday. Still a lot of model uncertainty, though, for how the precipitation is going to start Tuesday and Wednesday. Some models are showing that it might still be cold enough when that precipitation arrives to start off as some wintry precipitation for late Tuesday, and then transitioning to rain as we go into Wednesday. So that'll be something we will be keeping an eye on and keep you updated on. Otherwise, that'll do it for our daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.